looks nice. Your hair look special. What are you concealing?
Smith & Wesson 38. And you? What are you concealing?
Shotgun. 12 gauge. Hey, and welcome to the Postapocalyptic Garage. Today I'm gonna make myself a tool belt from this old pair of jeans. So in this configuration you can take a tape measure and just put it inside like this. For this reason you can always take your tape out and measure anything you want without losing the tape measure in the chaos. These two pockets are perfect for some tools like your pliers, your wrenches, or some other stuff. On the other side, you can take your screws, your nails, whatever you need for construction, and have it right there at hand. This loop right there, which was one of the front pockets, you can take your hammer, put it in like this, and you will always have it ready to work. Especially when you're wearing a lot of expensive outdoor trousers, you don't want to poke them through with nails or screws or any kind of tools. So the fabric on the jeans are really tough. They can take a lot of abuse and you will never ruin your trousers again. The little coin pockets, which are normally on your right side of your front pocket, they are also perfect for taking your pens and putting it in. That was it for today. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. I've also linked you a few videos which you might be interested in the description box below, and we'll see us next time.
And you? What are you concealing?
Shotgun. 12 gauge.